Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to claim Perplexity AI with Airtel. This exclusive offer provides eligible Airtel users with a complimentary 12-month subscription to Perplexity Pro, valued at 17,000 rupees. We will guide you through the straightforward process of activating this powerful AI tool, ensuring you can quickly begin exploring its advanced capabilities. Get ready to enhance your digital experience with smarter insights and real-time information. To begin, ensure you are an active Airtel customer, as this offer extends to all prepaid, postpaid, broadband, and DTH users. First, download or update the Airtel Thanks app from your App Store. Once installed, simply log in using your registered Airtel mobile number. This ensures your account is ready to access the exclusive Perplexity Pro benefit. Once logged into the Airtel Thanks app, navigate to the Rewards and Odds section. Here, you will find the Perplexity Pro offer card. Tap on this card, then select Claim Now and Proceed. You will be redirected to Perplexity's website to sign in with your Google or Apple ID or to create a new account. This action links your Airtel eligibility to your Perplexity profile, activating your free Pro access. With Perplexity Pro activated, you can now enjoy a wealth of advanced features. This includes access to powerful AI models like GPT and Claude, along with capabilities for expert-level file analysis and image generation. You also receive over 300 Pro searches daily, providing real-time, cited answers for deep research. Explore its potential for enhanced productivity and smarter insights across various tasks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.